In the world of ground combat, every piece of tactical gear can mean the difference between mission success and failure. The U.S. Army has always prioritized equipping its soldiers with the best gear to enhance their safety, mobility, and effectiveness on the battlefield. Take, for example, the modern-day body armor system known as the Improved Outer Tactical Vest. This armor offers unparalleled protection with its advanced ceramic plates and Kevlar layers, designed to withstand the harshest conditions. It's lightweight, yet robust, allowing soldiers to move freely while staying shielded from ballistic threats. It's more than just armor, it's a lifeline. The Modular Lightweight Load-Carrying Equipment, or MOLLE system, adds versatility to a soldier's kit. It allows for customized carrying configurations, where soldiers can attach pouches, ammo cases, and hydration systems according to their mission needs. This gear makes sure that no matter the situation, soldiers have their essential tools within arm's reach. Night combat introduces its own challenges, but with the enhanced night vision goggle binoculars, soldiers can own the darkness. These high-tech goggles fuse infrared imaging and thermal vision, giving soldiers a distinct edge by allowing them to spot enemy movements and navigate rough terrain with precision, even under the cover of night. For communication, the Army uses the Rifleman Radio. This lightweight, handheld device provides secure voice and data transmissions, connecting soldiers in real time. It's designed to function reliably in rugged environments, ensuring the team stays coordinated even when the situation gets chaotic. Each piece of gear is more than just equipment. It's a testament to the continuous innovation that keeps soldiers prepared for whatever the battlefield throws their way.
Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon if you like our content.